So we will do Ordnungszahlen.
Salah.
Yes. They are also easy, but you just have to remind the rule. And what is the rule? Let's see. And what are Ordnungszahlens? Ordnungszahlen are the Ordnungszahlen are the numbers that are used for dates, rankings, and putting things in order. And let's see what are those. In English, it means auf English. Okay, in English we say in English those are we say first, second, third, etc. etc. These
Okay.
are ordinal numbers, okay?
Okay.
These
Ordinal.
are ordinal numbers. These are in English too,
Okay.
okay? Then we have to see, okay, we use them with he is first, he is second, he is third for rankings, orders.
Yes, yes. We'll give ranking orders. Yes.
Yes. But how do we use it in German? It
Hmm.
means how do we use in auf Deutsch? It means in German. How do we use it? So the regal is
Rank. Ragal.
rule.
Rule. Yeah. Ragal is rule. Okay.
So rule is Tal plus TE, which means number or TE. Okay, you just have to add TE. Okay, tell me one thing. What is first? What is one?
Ein number. Number.
Ein,
Yes.
ein. You just have to learn first. First
Yes.
is erster,
Arsta. Okay.
erster. Okay, which is eins.
Okay. So pronunciation also different. So yes.
Yes, erster.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, tell me what is second?
Swai.
Zwei. So we just have to add TE.
Yeah. Yes. T.
Yes,
Yes.
so it will be Zweiter.
Ha. Okay.
Okay.
Swaita. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
E.
And then what is third?
No, for iron it's entirely different, right? You cannot. Yeah.
It means what are you saying?
Eins for swai, we at least we adding t in the end of the letter swai. Okay.
Yes.
But ein.
Swy
Yeah.
Swy is a exception.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Swy is an exception. You have to learn this.
Okay. Okay.
There are two, three exceptions. I will tell you
Yeah. Yeah.
exceptions. Okay.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
So what is second? Sweater.
Swaita. Okay. Swite.
Yes. And what is three?
Dry. Dry. Dry.
Three is dry.
Yeah.
So it will be. So what do you think? Three third will be?
Dre. Dr.
Yes.
Dried. We have
Yes.
to.
It's also exception. It is drita.
Dreet. Dr.
Yes.
Okay.
We do not add e.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. We just remove e and add
Okay.
te. Okay. Drita. It's
Yeah.
also exception. You also have to learn this drita.
Okay.
Yes. And then fourth.
Yeah.
What is four?
Fear.
Yes. Just add t. Then it will be
Fiat.
Fiata.
Yeah. Fiat.
Okay.
Yes.
which is fear.
Mm-hmm.
And then what is 5?
Funf.
And
Fifth.
ordinal number, yes, funf.
Fint.
Funft.
Finft. Finf. Yeah.
Funft.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
which is funf.
Okay.
And then zex.
Yeah.
6 is,
Yeah. Jax.
yeah,
Jaxta.
yes, zexto, which means sixth or 6.
Okay.
And then seventh,
Sieben. Sieben. Sta. Sieben.
sieben.
Sieben. Sta. T.
Yes, and this is also a exception, last exception, in
Okay.
which we do not add en,
Okay.
only zipta. Okay,
Okay. Zipta. Okay.
yes, which is ziban.
Yeah.
So this is also an exception.
Hmm.
So you have to learn this also. There are three exceptions only: one, two, three, and 7.
Okay. Got it.
Yes, and then eighth is,
Octa.
yes, act,
Yeah.
and that, what do you think? T or double T?
Yeah. Double T.
Yes.
Octa.
Only we had only single T.
Why octa?
Act.
Okay. Okay. Octa. Okay.
Yes, only act. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Octa.
Yes. And then, which means act. And then ninth is
Nine. Nine.
nine.
Yeah. It had nine top.
Yes, which is nine. And then tenth.
Zan. Zain. Zain.
Yes,
Yeah.
then,
Zain top. Zain
yeah.
top. Okay.
And how do we use it with? For
Hmm.
example, we have to use I was born on.
Huh.
How do we use it with preposition? You
Yes.
have to use it like that. See, regal. Regal is rule. If you want to use with arm with preposition on, then you will use arm sal
Hmm.
plus ten.
Plus sol
Yes,
plus ten. Ten.
yes. It
Yeah.
means yes. It means on.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you want to say on.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. I am writing here. I have also told you in the preposition we use with date preposition am.
Hmm.
Remember? Have you revised that?
Yeah.
I
Positions.
gave you three prepositions am,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So where I've told you we use with, am with,
With this one. Uh, in means yes. I am with this one. I am
am with.
with. Not able to recollect. Sorry, yes, that one. Yeah. Yeah.
It's okay. I
Yes.
am telling you here then.
Yeah. I am with.
With dates and day, we
Huh.
use, yes, we
Day.
use always am.
With days. Day.
Yes, with days and date.
Okay.
And for example, am Freitag, am Montag.
Hmm.
And with days also, we always use am. And
Oh,
meaning is on
okay.
in English. Okay.
Mhm.
So am, which we use it with date and day, which means on in English. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to say I have my birthday,
Okay.
I have my birthday on 2 January, then how will you say it?
Ich habe
Yes, ich habe
meine birthday will call.
birthdays meinen
Uh,
Geburtstag.
Geburtstag. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Geburtstag.
Yeah. Geburtstag. Uh,
Yes. And then with on is
yeah.
on is
On. Yeah.
on is
Am. At.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Ich habe meinen Geburtstag.
Geburtstag,
So,
and two and on second.
yeah. And Swiss. Swite.
Or see, what do we add? We add t also.
Hmm.
When we use then we add ten with number.
TN. Yeah.
So we will say it like swy
Swite.
ten.
Yeah. Swite. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Swite.
Yes, swy
In.
10.
In.
We
Swite in.
just have added yes and
Okay.
whenever we use it with preposition on, then we add n. Okay.
N. Okay.
And when we use without m, then we add only te.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we use it without which means on, then we do not add n. When we use it without when we use it with preposition, then we add n also.
Okay. Switen.
Okay.
Yeah. Switen. January.
Yes. So I turn January.
January. Okay.
Yes. January.
January.
Okay. But after the 19, then the rule changes.
Mm-hmm.
After
Okay.
19, rule changes.
Okay.
We use ten till only 19.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. After 19, rule changes. And there is a new rule. After 19, you have to follow. Which is new rule is just you have to add ste.
Mm-hmm.
Regal two's rule. First rule is sal plus ste, and when you use it with so it will be sal,
Mm-hmm.
and then what do we use it with? What do we do with preposition? We add only n.
Yeah.
So Sten.
N.
Okay. Yes. For example, if you want to say 20th,
20th. Okay.
so what is 20?
20. Swansea is 20.
Yes.
Swansea. Yeah.
And then what will we add?
ST you have to add.
Yes.
ST.
So it will be
Swansea.
swan sixth. Okay.
Swansea. Okay. J-
Yes.
Yeah.
And if we use it with then it will be
Swansea. Swansea.
swans. Then we will add only n.
Ian. Yeah. Swansea.
So swan sick stain.
Uh,
Swan stain. Okay.
Swansea 10. Okay.
Yes. Swan stain.
Hmm.
We just add only n.
ST. Okay.
Yes. N with on with
Hmm.
preposition Okay. Okay. If I want to say 20, 21,
Okay.
21st, 21st. Okay. Then how will you say it?
Einwohnt Swansea's. Einwohnt.
Uh,
Swantic.
I
Swansis.
know swan stay.
Swansea. Yeah.
Yes. We will read as swan sixth. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And with it will be
And Einwohnt Swansea 10.
yes. Only added n.
Yeah. Okay.
Swan 16.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see another 25th. 25th is
Fun Swansea's.
yes.
Swansea. Fun Swansea.
Correct. Fun swan 62.
Yeah.
And then with
Um. Fünf und zwanzig.
Yes, correct. Good.
Yeah,
16.
yeah.
We just have added.
TSTEN. Yeah.
Yes. Swan
So
16.
okay, these and all like birthdays, like some the type of we will use, right? Birth.
Yes, we will use in birthday. We will
Okay.
use in to order to or to he's first,
Uh,
he's second, he is 20th, he's 24th.
yeah, rankings and
Yeah.
birthdays, like
Like
yeah.
yes, like that we will use this.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
No, is there any difference, Surya? So while we are using normal, if we are telling,
Yes.
people will come to know he know very well or not based on these words what we are using. Based on that, they will analyze, right? Person is knows very well or not language.
I didn't get it, but okay, repeat again.
No, if the we use these words, the person opposite person will assess, right? The person knows the German or not.
Yes, yes, yes. With these things, he will got
Yeah,
to know that. Yes, he will get to know that you know or don't know because these
yeah,
are the important basics.
yeah. That's what. Yeah.
Yes. With the help of this,
Hmm.
you will know how you will know to say
Hmm.
how to say my birthday when my birthday comes.
Ha.
For example, ich habe meinen Geburtstag
Hmm.
am 2.
Okay.
If you don't know this, then how will you say I was born on 2nd?
Yeah.
How will you say second?
Yes. Correct.
In English, there is also a difference. If you want to say two, then it
Yeah.
is two.
Correct.
And then if you want to say I was born on
Yeah.
2nd of March, then there's a difference between two and second.
Yes. 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 Got it.
Yes. So just like English, German, there is also a difference between two and zwei and zweiter.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Right.
There is also a difference. Yes. You cannot use zwei.
Yeah.
Ich habe meinem Geburtstag on zwei. You cannot use that.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It will be totally wrong.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
These minor basics are very crucial.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now let's do one exercise related to these basics.
Okay.
Okay. Come. Okay. Open page number. Open page number 104.